Because sourcing packages vary so much depending on the specifics and nature, what you are essentially getting from us is our time and experience to do the work for you. Time basically can't be reversed regardless of the results, but it's also impossible to really get to a result or conclusion without doing the work. That's why the 30-day review is really an essential part of our sourcing programs. We know that sourcing programs can be anywhere from a month to 9 months and anywhere in between. In particular, if you consider sampling, revisions, and all the communication that goes on in between. So the most effective solution is to have a flexible on-demand service that you can use our resources as and when you need it. The initial commitment is 30 days, and every 30 days we have a formal review of the project, which is over and above the daily communications. 30-day review is basically an accountability and feasibility check. It's really important for us to be sure that the requirements are actually feasible and that the project is worth pursuing. As we believe in being realistic and truthful at every stage, it's more important that we're doing good work for you and that you can see the value of the amount of work we put into your project. So basically, the accountability check allows you to decide how we've done and if you want the project to move forward. This also ensures we're working really hard to keep you happy, to keep the project moving forward. During the 30-day review, and remember this is not the only communication we have, we still talk day to day, we are going to review the past 30 days progress and we will discuss what the next 30 days should look like. We will also determine if sufficient progress has been made on your project. Based on this, your options are: 1, to pause the project and continue on your own. Remember that all the quotes and supplier contact details we've collected are yours, and this is a very cost-effective way to kickstart the project and carry on your own. You can also restart the project at any time when you need our help, or you can choose to stop the project and change direction or continue on your own and use other services like Sample Concierge to help you progress. Either way, the service is flexible and on demand when you need us. The 30-day review also answers a question of what you can expect for 30 days. We truly believe that it's our job to show you the value so that you want to extend for another 30 days. That makes us work a lot harder in terms of getting offers, quotations, supplier lists, so that you can see the value and look at the time you've saved and ultimately make the decision, was it worth paying us to do this work for you versus the time of doing it yourself. And remember that this is an on-demand service, so you can stop and start as often as you like, and you make that decision at your 30-day review. And I also want you to watch our transparency video so you'll understand that all the information we collect, all the offers, the supplier lists, is your information, so there's no way you can't get value out of the work that has been done. So if you're committed to investing in your business, it just takes the first 30-day commitment, and every 30 days it can be reviewed and you can decide if it's worth moving forward or worth putting on pause, hold, or changing directions. This is really going to help you build your confidence. There's really no time like now to get your feet wet and really learn as you go. And we really handhold you through everything and give you a single person to talk to. During the process, you're going to get to see how manufacturers present their products and quotes. You'll also gain insights into the basics of sourcing and dealing and communicating with manufacturers. This is going to build your confidence and skills throughout the experience.